LaTeX Math for Confluence is an on-prem solution that renders complex math formulas directly on your Confluence pages. First, install the app from the Atlassian Marketplace and open the page where you need formulas. You can choose between two macros depending on your needs: LaTeX Inline Formulas and LaTeX Block Formulas. The inline macro adds equations within your text, perfect for small formulas in sentences. The block macro displays equations on their own line, ideal for complex formulas like matrices or multi-step calculations. To add either macro, type the LaTeX shortcut or click the plus icon in the toolbar and search for LaTeX. Once selected, type your formula and see a live preview of how it will appear on the page. Use the built-in keyboard with popular symbols to enter formulas quickly. The app also supports custom styling, change colors, add backgrounds, or highlight parts to keep your documentation clear and structured. Try LaTeX Math for Confluence free for 30 days on the Atlassian Marketplace. Links are in the description below.